blacksmith shop of sorts? I borrowed enough for the day.
And then you scooped up all the weapons, right? Right?
No, Gwendolyn, I didn't. I was looking for a wheel, not a fight. I borrowed enough for the day. That sign was asking for tips, and there was a metal pan to collect coins.
Hello, could I squeeze by you gents?
No. We are here to guard the town entrance and keep out any riffraff whilst everyone is watching the parade. If we were to leave, rapscallions would run amok in the empty shops.
Back away, boy. We're on the lookout for intruders.
I stumbled upon some kind of curiosity shop. Against the knickknacks was a little collection tray with a sign asking for tips. I could barely make out the names of these potions. While I was up for adventure, I didn't think randomly drinking potions was a good plan. Nothing seemed to be brewing yet. I didn't need to borrow more than one wheel.